A dry flower arrangement with the rose inside from Christmas tree wooden base there. It's my little flower garden. It's getting nice flowers now. I'm just doing some pruning so it can flourish. It's a nice day to do it. I'm just enjoying all the bees and stuff in the back garden. I'll show you in a minute. Get some droppings on the ground. Petal droppings. Drop petals there, back in the ground. It's my little flower base in front of the house. It's bee over there. Dropping petals. Keeping it nice and bright and clean. Petals will drop the seeds on the ground and then if they're lucky they get reborn. Some pruning. Look, new seeds have grown up from last season that was fallen. I'm not pulling them out so that they can grow and become part of the landscape until to a manageable point, and then I keep them on. It helps pull down carbon. Before that will be gone as a wild plant, something that is going to go so big that it's going to terrify the earth, but now it's staying right there. And it will grow and become nice size. It will come up to the front of this post there. It's going to be wonderful. I can then hang like Christmas tree and stuff onto it. It's in a bucket, but it's good. It's my little flower garden in front of my house and pots. I was going to make all sorts of like pot sculptures and put them around in the garden of the house. This is just a few bits here. And I let that grow up on the wall as well. And take up that ones. Looks nice and clean. I don't throw them away. I use them back to make some petals. Dry sculpture underneath there. It's part of the landscape underneath. It will fall underneath and make a sculpture for the droppings. I mean, then sometimes I don't touch them because the birds might have their nest inside or something like that. But also need it on the ground so they can take it back to the nest too. It's very calming. You should try some. Look, there's a sculpture of a spider. Look at that. Like, you see, this is why I don't start digging things. Because look at that wonderful geometry of that. Let me zoom it for you. Look at the construction. Can you see them in there as well? They can drop food and everything. Little flies and stuff is all caught up in it. But look at the geometry of that. I couldn't touch that. See, it's all in there. That's gorgeous. Little sculpture. I will be touching that. And hopefully I don't touch. Maybe. Oh, I don't touch.